Welcome to Time for Crafts. Today we are going to make a simple and easy candy pot. Materials required: A4 size papers, cartoon, glue, scissors, a bead, thread and needle. There are total 4 steps. Step 1. Take the paper and fold it into half and cut it. Take the paper 1/2 and make a roll. Put glue in here. We need 28 rolls. Step 2. Take 14 rolls from the 28 rolls and make a semicircle. Now let us give this to drying. Make one more semicircle with other 14 rolls. Both the semicircles are ready. Now we need to put one paper inside the semicircle. First, take a A4 size paper and fold it into half. And we have to cut it. After this, take one semicircle and keep it straightly in here. Now put the glue in the paper. And now slowly stick the paper to the rolls smoothly. We have to do the same with the other semicircle. After drying, we have to do the same like before. Fold the paper into half and cut it. After cutting into half, take the glue and apply it here. Now stick it in here and cut the excess. And we have to do the same with the second half, but in the second half, don't cut the excess. Keep it like that. I have sticked another paper in the other semicircle. So now, I said you need to keep one semicircles extra part. Now, we need to stick it here. Try to fold it like this slowly. Now let us leave this to dry. Step 3. Make a lid. Take the candy pot and take a pencil or pen and draw the outline. After this, cut the excess. Now we need 2 inner circles. We need 2 of this. We need to make same like this one more. After this, take any paper and take the glue. Stick this to the paper. As you saw me before, I draw it in the inner part also, because we need to take this and stick it here. You have to do the same with the other one. Now let us cut the excess. Now take the small one and take any one shape and stick this to the paper. And let it to dry and cut the extra piece. After this, take the bigger part and put glue in it and stick in the paper. After this, cut the excess. Step 4. Take the outer shape and in the middle with the needle and the thread, stitch it. Take a bead and put it inside this. Now cut the thread. Tie a knot. After this, take the glue and take the small pieces and glue them to the outer part. Now let us get this to dry. Let us turn this over and put glue over here. Now let us keep it for drawing. Now take a sketch pen. If you want to draw or write something, you can write it. The candy pot is ready. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.